Hi and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we'll be talking about finding the cross product of two vectors. Let's make some comments before we begin. Comment 1. The cross product is the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. The thing we need to know is how to make the matrix and how to find the determinant. Those are the two questions. How to make the matrix and how to find the determinant. Comment 2. The cross product gives us a vector, unlike the dot product, which gives us a number. So after we get the cross product, it will be another vector. So the cross product, A times B, will give us another vector in the form a coefficient times I plus a coefficient times J plus a coefficient times K. That's what we'll get. Unlike the dot product was giving us a number, e.g. 5. Here we'll get another vector in form of an equation. With that in mind, let's get into it. So the steps that we have to follow in making the matrix is step number 1. Put the letters I, J, and K in the first row. So let's write this. The cross product of A times B is equal to a matrix. So in this matrix, we'll have I, J, and K in the first row. So this will be I, J, and K in the first row. Put the coefficients of vector A in the second row. So vector A is this one, I plus 2J plus 3K. The coefficients of vector A are 1. What's the coefficient of the Y component, or J? That's 2. And the coefficient of the Z component, 3. Next, we put the coefficients of vector B in the third row. What are the coefficients of vector B? For I, what is the coefficient? We have 3. For J and for Z or K, so we've found our matrix. This is the matrix whose determinant we have to find. Now, let's put our matrix here. So A times B is equal to, our matrix has I, J, K. Then the numbers are 1, 2, 3. Then 3, 6, 2. Okay. The last step is to find the determinant of this matrix. So here's how we find the determinant of this matrix. So firstly, we're going to put I on the outside, which is this term here. Then we do this and take the matrix that's on the inside of these two lines we've drawn. So the matrix that's on the inside here, we open brackets, that will be 2, 6, 3, 2, close. Then minus. The second one is always minus. Where we have J, it's always minus. We do the same process to J. But here, it will be, we do this. Then the matrix has to have the 1, the 3 here, and the 2. That's the matrix. So it's like we've blocked J and we're getting the ones that are outside. So this is J, open, we have 1, 3, 3, and 2. Then lastly, plus K. We'll do the same thing to K. The matrix that we have is 1, 2, 3, 6. Now, finally, we have to find the determinant of these 2 by 2 matrices. So to find the determinant, we have to multiply the major axis. So it will be I on the outside, open brackets, 2 times 2, that's 4, minus the minor axis, that's 3 times 6. So 3 times 6, that gives us 18. Minus j, open, we do the same thing. The major axis, 1 times 2, that's 2, minus 3 times 3, that's 9, plus k, open, 1 times 6, that's 6, minus 3 times 2, that's also 6. This gives us I, open, 4 minus 18, this gives us negative 14, minus j, then 2 minus 9, that's negative 7, plus k, 6 minus 6, that gives us 0. Finally, this gives us negative 14i, then this is negative 7 and negative j, so that's plus 7j, and this is 0 times k, so that would just be 0. We can leave it out. So this is our determinant, and it is the cross product of the vectors a times b.